So, now the students, our next chapter, so measures of length, how to measure length, what are the standard units. So, what are the standard units we are going to use to find length. So how to convert, a bigger units into smaller units. So, all these concepts we are going to discuss in this chapter. So, what we are going to discuss in this chapter? So, the first concept, what is the length? Length definition. What is the length? So, that we are going to discuss first. Definition of a length. Okay, what is actually length means. The second concept, how to measure length. How to measure length. What are the standard units we are using to find length? Okay, so this is our second concept. The third concept, relation between units of length. Relation between means, so basically we are using to find the length in kilometers, meters, centimeters, millimeters. Millimeters are the smallest units and the smaller units are centimeters, and after that meters, and after that bigger units are kilometers. So, millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers. So, these standard units we are going to use to find length. Okay. So, the relation, so what is the relation, then how to convert meters into kilometers, millimeters into kilometers, kilometers into millimeters, centimeters into meters. These relation we are going to find. So, how to convert kilometers into meters, meters into centimeters, centimeters into millimeters. This relation we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. Now, then after that, addition of length, how to add length. If length is given, then how to add. Okay. The combination of kilometers and meters is given, then how to add. Meters and centimeters is given, then how to add. If centimeters and millimeters are given, then how to add. So, this addition concept we are going to discuss. In the same way, subtraction concept also we are going to learn. So, all these concepts, all these 5 concepts we are going to discuss in this chapter. The first one is what is the length, that definition. Then after that, second concept, so what are the units we are going to use to find a length. The third concept, relation between, what is the relation means. So, how to convert kilometers into meters, meters into centimeters, centimeters into millimeters. This relation we are going to learn, this relation we are going to discuss. Then after that, addition of length, how to add. So, then how to subtract. These 5 concepts we are going to discuss. Okay. So, after this, in review exercise means what you learn in your previous class, that we recapitulate once. Okay. What you learn in your previous class. See here, so what is actually length means, the definition. Here length is given, no? Length definition. Length is a physical quantity. So, it is a physical quantity to measure how long an object is. How long an object is. Actually, what is the length? Length is a physical quantity. Length is a physical quantity to measure how long an object is. How long an object is. So, how long it is. So, room, how long a room it is. So, length of a room, or length of the monitor, the length of a book, length of the table, length of the door. So, all this we are going to use length means in meters, centimeters, kilometers. So, all these measurements are nothing but all these measurements are the physical quantities. So, that we can say that how long it is, this is only the length. Okay. What is it is? It is a length. Length is a physical quantity. Length is a physical quantity to measure how long an object is. Object means whatever it may be. It is either a cell phone screen, or otherwise TV screen, or otherwise here length of a room, or length of the table, and all these things. These are the objects. How long objects are. So, that is our length. Okay. Next, second, standard units of length is meter. Actually, what are the standard units of length? So, meter. Meter is a standard unit to measure length. So these are the standard units to measure length, that is in meters. Okay. Other units of length are centimeters, kilometers, and other units are also there, centimeters. Other units are centimeters and kilometers. Centimeters are smaller than meters and kilometers are bigger than meters. Okay. So, meter is a standard units of length. Okay. And other units are also there, centimeter and kilometer. In earlier, means before, earlier days some measurements are there they are using, so to find length. So, what they are not standard, that units are not standard units, just they are using lengths using hand span. Hand span means like this, how much it is. So, this is called hand span, 1, 2, 3, 4, they calculate using hand span. They calculate using hand span. Okay. So, in this way. So, this thumb to this distance, the total distance from thumb to last finger, thumb to the last finger. So, this is nothing but hand span. So, like this. So, this is one hand span, 1. Second means this is second, this is third, this is fourth. This using hand span in earlier days. So, they calculate using the length using hand span they calculate. Then after that, so after that what they are using, cubit. So, cubit means from here to here the length. So, the length complete from here to here, this is one cubit, this is one cubit like this. So, here to here this is one cubit. Then after that again from here, so they are measuring using cubit. Here elbow, so elbow to the, so this big finger from here to here. So, the total length is cubit. Okay. Then after that pace means 1 feet, 1 foot. How much distance is 1 foot? 1 step from, so right leg to the left leg, the distance between right leg to the left leg, that is pace. Okay. So, these earlier days they are using hand span, cubit and piece, etc. These were they used. Hand span means, so here to here, here means this thumb to the last finger. So, this is hand span, and cubit means from here to here, elbow to the big finger, the length. And pace means distance between right leg to the left leg, means 1 foot. So, 1 feet, that is cubit, pace, that is pace. Okay. So, these units they used in earlier days, but now we have standard units like meters, kilometers and centimeters. We have standard units now. Okay. Okay, students. See here, in earlier days they are using hand span. What is the hand span? So, see here, hand span means, hand span, the distance from what, this one thumb to the last finger. So, this is hand span, this is hand span. Okay. Thumb to the last finger. So, the distance from thumb to the last finger, this is the hand span, this is the hand span, one hand span. So, earlier days they used hand span to measure length. And the second one, cubit. Cubit, what is a cubit? Cubit means the distance from hand knee to the biggest finger, the total distance. So, this is cubit. Okay. Hand knee, so hand knee to the longest finger, the distance. So, that is cubit. Pace means the length from, so right foot to left foot. So, that is the pace, that is called pace. One pace means, so distance from right foot to left foot. If you take one step, then what is the distance from right foot to the left foot? So, that is nothing but a pace. Pace means distance, if you keep one step, so that complete step length means from right foot to left foot or left foot to right foot. So, that total distance is a pace. Cubit means the hand knee to the longest finger, that complete distance is a cubit. Hand span means from thumb to the last finger, whatever the distance is there, that is hand span. In earlier days they are using these measurements to find length. Okay. Now we have standard units, so like meters, kilometers and centimeters. Okay. Now the next, see here, add and subtract in meters and centimeters. Meters and centimeters given. So either it is in centimeters, we have to add centimeters, or meters given, then add meters. Okay. Addition as well as subtraction combination is given in review exercise. So in the first question, 55 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 20 centimeters, all are in centimeters. Add all these centimeters, 55 centimeters, then after that 25 centimeters, then after that 20 centimeters. All these centimeters we have to add. These are centimeters. Okay. Now add 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0, 10. 10 means 0 in 1's place, 1 we have to take carry over on 10's place. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 100, total 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters. Now add 400 meters. Now meters, all are in meters. 400 meters, 400 meters, 302 meters, 75 meters. All these three we have to add. All these are in meters. These are meters. Add unit place first, 1's place, that is 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 7. Then 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 7 is the number itself, means 7, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. Then 777 meters, 777 meters. These are in meters. Then third question, 67 centimeters minus means subtract. 67 centimeters minus 27 centimeters minus, here addition this one. So now these are in centimeters. 7 minus 7, same number minus same number is 0. 6 minus 2, 2 means from 3 to 6 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, it is 4. 40. What is the difference? 40. Here 40 centimeters, 40 centimeters. Then 10 meters plus 16 meters, we have to add 10 meters and 60 meters. 10 not 10, 70 meters. 70 meters and 16 meters addition. Addition sign is given. So these are in meters. 0 plus 6, 0 plus any number is the number itself, that is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8, 86 meters, 86 meters is your answer. Now here the difference we have to find, 49 meters minus 36 meters, 49 meters first, then after that 36 meters, these are in meters. Now subtract 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 means 7 to 9 we have to count, 7, 8, 9, it is 3. 4 minus 3 consecutive numbers, difference is 1, it is 13 meters, 13 meters. Now after that 404 meters, 54 meters we have to subtract. 404 meters minus 54, how to write? So 4 in 1's place, 5 in 10's place, in this way we have to write. Okay. These are in meters. 4 minus 4, same number minus same number is 0. Then after that, so from 4th place we have to take carry over, here you will get 3, here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, here 3. 350 meters. 350 meters. Okay. So, in this way we have to add and subtract, and more 2 questions there, so that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now, the next, length definition. So, what is length? So, distance between 2 places, distance between 2 places. So, the distance between 2 places is nothing but a length. So, or otherwise length of an object. So, the measure, it is a physical quantity, length is a physical quantity to measure length of an object. So, that is length is measured. So, like means pencil length, pole length, distance between Hyderabad to Bangalore. So, that comes under length. How much distance? Distance as well as the length of the particular object, either it is a pen, pencil, ruler, paper, room. So, that comes under the physical quantity, whatever we are using to find. So, that is the length, that is the length. So, we have some standard units to measure length. Why we are using standard units? So, because of if whole world using only standard units, because of no confusion. If we are using other units to measure length, so little bit confusion is there. So, because to avoid that confusion, so all the world use only standard units like meters, centimeters, kilometers. These standard units whole world. So, in whole world we are using standard units only to measure length of object, length of particular places. Okay. So, why? To avoid confusion, to avoid confusion. So, all, so if you follow a same units, so then there is no confusion. So, some countries they are using some units, other countries they are using some other units, then a difference means confusion is there, what is actually. So, that is why to avoid confusion, so we are using standard units. What are the standard units? Kilometers, meters and centimeters. These are the standard units. So, now we are going to discuss about standard units. So, first meter. Meter is a standard unit of length, already we discussed. What is the standard unit of length? That is meter. It is denoted by small m. So, small m means meters. Okay. Now, so for example, wall length, if you are going to find wall length, then we are using meters, pole length meters. So, in this case we are using meters. Okay. Meter standard units we are going to use to find room length, wall length, pole length and all this. Okay. Centimeters, the second standard unit is centimeter. Next unit which is commonly used, that is centimeter. This centimeter is smaller than meter. So, if we compare meters and centimeter, meter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. So, smaller unit of length. So, centimeter is a smaller unit. Okay. So, we denoted as cm, centimeter. So, meter means small m, centimeter means small c, small m. Okay, centimeter. Okay, centimeters are the smaller units and meters are bigger than centimeters. Okay. So, pencil length, ruler length, paper length, these are the small. So, small objects. For small objects, so we are going to use centimeters only. Using centimeter scale, so we can find ruler length, pencil length, paper length, small lengths, whatever it is. So, that we are going to use, then we are going to use centimeters. If little bit bigger, so then we are going to use meters, like so building height, room length, wall height means wall length, pole length, all this we are going to use, that case we are going to use meters. If small things are there, so then you should use centimeters. Okay. Then one more unit is there to measure length, that is kilometer. Kilometer is the biggest unit, it is a biggest unit, bigger than all these, means bigger than meters as well as bigger than centimeter. Kilometer is bigger unit. So, it is denoted as km. So, kilometers, when we use kilometers, so you are going to find the distance between the two places like Hyderabad to Bangalore. So, what is the distance between Hyderabad to Bangalore? So, then what we are using there? Centimeters, centimeter are very small. So, meters, meter also small. Then kilometers are the biggest units. The distance is very long, Hyderabad to Bangalore. So, there we are going to use this kilometer scale we are going to use. Okay. If biggest lengths are there, then use kilometers, and little bit smaller than meters, and smallest there then centimeters. Okay. Now, here the relation between units of length is there. What is the relation? So, this is the relation between these. Relation is very important. Remember these relations. 1 centimeter is equal 1 meter, sorry 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. If you take 100 centimeters, then that is equal to 1 meter. Okay. 1 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. In this way, if we add 10 centimeters, that makes 1 meter. That makes 1 meter. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This is the relation between meter and centimeter. In the same way, one more relation is there, kilometer and meter. Kilometer and meter. In meters, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, 6 meters. In that way, if we add 1000 meters, that make 1 kilometer. That make 1 kilometer. It means 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Then 100 centimeters make 1 meter. These two relations you should remember. Okay, you should remember these two relations. Okay. Now, the next concept, see here, conversion. So, to convert meters into centimeters, meters into centimeters, we have to multiply the number 100. We have to multiply with the number 100. So, whenever meters converted, so we are going to convert into centimeters. So, we should multiply with 100. Why? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, that is why we have to multiply with 100. Okay. Then you will get in centimeters. Okay. Now, 9 meters. 9 meters, how many centimeters? 9 meters is equal to, so 9 we have to take same. Meters into centimeters means multiply with 100. 9 into 100. 9 into 100 is equal to 900 centimeters. Then you will get in centimeters. Whenever meters are there, so then how to convert into centimeters? That meter we have to multiply with 100. So, 9 into 100, that is 900 centimeters. In the same way, 6 meters. 6 meters how to convert in centimeters? So, again we have to multiply with 100. 6 into 100. 6 into 100, 600 meters. 600 meters. 6 into 100, 600 meters. Okay. Now, after that, so 5 meters 52 centimeters. 5 meters 52 centimeters. Here only meters are given. So, if only meters are given, then just we multiply with 100, then answer we have to write in centimeter. Here the combination of meters and centimeters there. Then how to convert? See here, first this 5 is in meters. So, first this meters we have to multiply with 100. 5 into 100, 5 into 100, this is in centimeter. 5 into 100 centimeters, then after that plus, and more 52 centimeters are there, 52 centimeters. First meters we have to convert into centimeters, multiplying with 100, and after that whatever centimeters are given, so plus that centimeters we have to add. Okay. Now, 5 into 100, 500 centimeters, 500 centimeters plus 52 centimeters. 500 plus 52, 552, 552 centimeters. This is the answer in centimeters. Okay. Whenever centimeters given, then how to convert into centimeters? just you multiply meters with 100, then that will convert into centimeter. Okay. Now, the second concept, then how to convert kilometers into meters. So, when kilometers are given, then how to convert into meters? So, just we multiply with 1000 kilometers, that kilometer quantity we have to multiply with 1000, then you will get in meters, kilometers into meters. Why we are going to multiply with 1000? Because the combination, the relation between kilometers and meters is there. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, that is why we have to multiply with 1000. Okay. Now, 3 kilometers, then how to convert? 3 into 1000, 3 into 1000 meters, then 3 into 1000, 3000 meters. Okay. So, this is the conversion of kilometers into meters. Now, 7 kilometers, then how to convert into meters? 7 we have to multiply with, we should multiply with 1000. So, then you will get in meters. 7 into 1000, 7000 meters. Okay. In these two questions only kilometer is given. So, here in third question kilometer and meters combination is there. Then how to convert? So, first kilometer, 6 kilometer is there. So, that kilometer we have to multiply with 1000. So, 6 into 1000 meters, then after that plus again here 60 meters there, that 60 meters we have to add, 60 meters, 6 into 1000, 6000, 6 into 1000, 6000 meters plus 60 meters, 60 meters, then 6000 plus 60, 6060, 6060 meters. So, then 6 kilometers 60 meters means 6060 meters. Okay. Now, the next, to convert meters into kilometers. So, what to do? So, separate thousands and write answer. So, here meter to kilometer. So, before what we did? So, kilometer to meter we converted. Now, if meter to kilometer, then what? First, we have to separate the thousands place. Here, ones, tens, hundred, this. 1000 place we have to separate. So, what is there in thousands place? 8. We have to separate thousands place. Then after that, write kilometers. Separate thousands place and write kilometers. Then remaining, so 008 means 8 meters. No need to take these 2 zeros before, only 8 meters enough. If before zeros are there, don't take 008, 8 meters enough to write. Okay. Now, in the next, here also ones, tens, 100, this 1000 place, that is 5. 5 we have to separate and write kilometers, 5 kilometers. Then after that 926, 926 meters. Okay. 928, 26, here 26, this is 926 meters. Okay. Now, here also we separate a thousands place, ones, tens, 100. This thousands place we have to separate, that is 4. 4, then after that write kilometers, and remaining 075, 075 means take 75, 75 meters. Before zeros, no need to take that before zeros. Okay. Here before 75, 10 is there, do not write that 10, only 75 meters here, enough. Here 008, 2 zeros there before 8, no need to write that 2 zeros. 2 zeros, 1 zeros are there in meters, do not take that before zeros. Okay. Now, see in exercise first, the first question. So, encircle a suitable unit to measure the following. So, what unit, what So length unit we are going to measure to find. So the given. So first, what is the given here? Height of a school building. Height of a school building. So generally we are using meters, centimeters, kilometers, watt. Centimeters are very small unit, we cannot measure with centimeters. Kilometers are the very biggest, means large units, we cannot measure with a kilometer. So meters are the suitable units to measure height of a building, okay. The next, length of a mobile phone. Mobile phone is a small screen, it is having small screen. So small measurements we can use to measure meters, centimeters, kilometers. Centimeters are the smaller units, so we are using centimeters to measure so length of a mobile phone, okay. Then after that, in the second question, convert the following into centimeters. Here meters and centimeter combination is given, so then we have to convert into centimeters. Then how to convert into centimeters? First, so 48 meters and 62 centimeters. 48, when we are going to convert into centimeters, that meter we have to multiply with 100. 48 into 100, 48 into 100 meters, then plus 62 meters, 62 meters, not meters, centimeters. So this is in centimeters, this is also in centimeters. Meters converted into centimeters after multiplying with 100. 48 into 100, 4800, that is 4800 plus 62. All these are in centimeters. This is in centimeter, this is also in centimeter. 4800 plus 62, 4862. 4862 centimeters. So what is your answer here? 4862 centimeters, okay. Now 16 meters, 16 centimeters. Here meters and centimeter combination is there. Then meters multiply with 100 to convert in centimeters. 16 into 100 centimeters plus 16 centimeters as it is. 16 centimeter. 16 into 100, that is 1600. 1600 centimeters plus 16 centimeters. 1600 plus 16, 1616. 1616 centimeter. So answer is 1616 centimeter, okay. So this is in centimeters. This is the method to convert centimeters. Now kilometers to meters, kilometers to meters. Here the combination of 2 kilometers and 25 meters given. So kilometer means we have to multiply kilometers with 1000, then that converted into meters. Then 2 into 1000, 2 into 1000 meters plus 25 meters. 2 into 1000, 2000 meters plus 25 meter. 2000 plus 25, 2025 meters. 2025 in meters. Now 9 kilometers, 95 meters. Here kilometers multiply with 1000. 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000 meters plus 95 meters. 6 into 1000, 6000 meters plus 95 meters. 6000 plus 95, 6095 meters. So 6095 meters. 6 kilometers 95 meters is 6095 meters. Then, so this is the conversion of meters into centimeters. This is the conversion of kilometers into meters. Okay. Now, the fourth one, convert the following into kilometers and meters. Here in meters is given, kilometers and meters we have to convert. So how to convert? First, second, third, fourth. Fourth place we separate this fourth means thousands place, that is 5, so and write kilometers. So separate this thousands place and write kilometers, and after that remaining part in meters. 600 meters, that is it. Now here also thousands part, separate thousands part, that is 6, and after that write kilometers, then after that 807, that is in meters. Okay. This is the method to convert meters into kilometers and meters.